Students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this problem statement written on the screen. Find the sum 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 power 4 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 power 4 plus so on up to 50 divided by 50 plus 50 square plus 50 power 4. So how many terms are written over here? Guys, 50 terms are written over here. This is for n is equal to 1, this is for n is equal to 2, this is for n is equal to 3, and this is for n is equal to 50 it would be. So the general term of this thing can be written by me as n divided by 1 plus n square plus n power 4 it will be. Guys, so denominator thing I'll be going to talk about means I'll be going to take care of the denominator thing, because I would have to break the thing, then I would have to make the thing. To break the thing, I would be concentrating upon the denominator. I would be bringing it into the form of telescopic form. The form we just solved, which means 2 videos back we solved that form, we'll be going to bring it in that form. So I'll be going to write denominator thing as 1 plus n square plus n power 4. That can be written by me as 1 plus n power 4 plus n square it will be. That can be written by me as 1 square plus n square the whole square it will be, plus n square will be written by me. Now do you know one thing? A plus b the whole square identity. That can be written by me as a square plus b square plus 2ab it will be. So when I will be going to talk about a square plus b square thing, that will be becoming a plus b the whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square it will be. Then finally it will be written by me writing LHS on RHS and RHS on LHS. A square plus b square if I am talking about, it will be becoming a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Wow. So I'll be going to rewrite this thing using that form. That will be becoming 1 plus n square the whole square minus 2n square plus n square it will be. Finally, it will be written by me as 1 plus n square the whole square minus n square it will be. Guys, if we have any form a square minus b square can be written by me as a minus b into a plus b. It can be written by me as a minus b into a plus b. So, we'll be going to use this over here. I may write it like 1 plus n square minus n multiplied by 1 plus n square plus n. Or I can write it like 1 minus n plus n square multiplied by 1 plus n plus n square it will be. What does it correspond to? Guys, it corresponds to 1 plus n square plus n power 4. That's great. Wow. I'll be going to use this thing to solve whole of the question written on the screen. So guys, now I'll be going to break this thing. N divided by 1 plus n square plus n power 4. That is what? N divided by 1 plus n square plus n power 4. 1 plus n square plus n power 4 can be written by me as n divided by 1 minus, what can be written by me? 1 minus n plus n square multiplied by 1 plus n square it will be. Now my dear students, I'll be going to, I told you already, the greater number minus a smaller number will be going to write in numerator. So it can be written by me as 1 plus n square minus, whole in a bracket I can keep, minus 1 minus n plus n square it will be. So when I'll be going to bring this minus sign, take this minus sign inside the bracket, minus 1 will be getting cancelled with plus 1 over here. And plus n square will be getting cancelled with minus n square over here. So what would be remaining? N and n would be remaining, 2n would be remaining. So guys, 2n is coming in numerator, but I want an n in the numerator, so I would be going to divide it by 2. So finally, what would be there in denominator? 1 minus n plus n square would be there in denominator, multiplied by 1 plus n square would be there in denominator. Okay, great. Then what can be done by me? Making use of the form we have got it over here, I can rewrite n upon 1 plus n square plus n power 4 as 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 plus n square divided by 1 minus n plus n square multiplied by 1 plus n square it would be. Hope you guys would have got my point. But we didn't separate the second portion of numerator. That is what 1 minus n plus n square whole divided by 1 minus n plus n square multiplied by 1 plus n square it is. Hope you guys would have got my point. 1 plus n square got cancelled with 1 plus n square. 1 minus n plus n square got cancelled with 1 minus n plus n square. So finally, my dear students, it can be written by me n upon 1 plus n square plus n power 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1 minus n plus n square minus 1 upon 1 plus n square. Wow. That's the great achievement I got. Now you might be wondering how it is a great achievement, my dear students. It's a great achievement because I can make the above problem using this thing. So let's bring down the problem so that it could be used by me. At a time I would be able to see the form I generated and the problem I wanted to solve. Okay, I wanted to solve. So the form I'll be using and the problem I'll be checking. So problem has n is equal to 1 over here, then n is equal to 2 over here, then n is equal to 3 over here, and so on up to n is equal to 50 over here. For everything I have the form of n upon 1 plus n square plus n power 4. So the first thing can be written by me by using the form written on right hand side of the above form. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1 square, then minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. Wow. Then for n is equal to 2, I would be going to write it like 1 divided by 1 minus 2 plus 2 square minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 square. Wow. Then for n is equal to 3, I'll be going to write it like 1 divided by 1 minus 3 plus 3 square minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3 square. Hope you guys would have got my point. Is it very much clear to all of you? Now my dear students, it would be going on till 50. And the 50th thing would be written by me 1 upon 1 minus 50 plus 50 square minus 1 divided by 1 upon minus 1 divided by 1 plus 50 square it would be. Very nice, sir. Now what we would be going to do, sir? Guys, will be going to simplify. Magically everything will be getting cancelled with one another. Minus 1 getting cancelled with plus 1 in the first fraction, so it would be becoming 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3, then plus of 1 upon 3 minus of 1 upon 7 it would be. Guys, then it would be what? 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 13. So you might be wondering, sir, how you computed. Guys, this thing corresponds to this thing. 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 Wow. Goes on up to 58 term. And the 58 term would be written by me. 1 upon, guys, 50 would be taken common by me. So 50 multiplied by 49 plus 1 it would be. Here what I did, 50 I took common. Plus 1 I wrote over here. And 50 minus 1 is 49. Wow, wonderful. 1 divided by, guys, this time it is minus sign over here. So I'll be going to enclose it in bracket with minus sign. I'll be writing 50 multiplied by 51 plus 1. That's great, sir. Now how will be going to cancel out the things written over here? Minus 1 by 3 got cancelled with plus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 7 got cancelled with plus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 13 got cancelled with plus 1 by 13. And here minus sign will be getting cancelled with plus sign thing written over here. That's awesome. That's awesome. Now let's simplify it further. Further, when I'll be going to simplify it, 1 by 2 would be written 1 minus. Everything in between would be getting cancelled with one another. No, minus sign will be getting cancelled with thing written with plus sign over here. 1 upon 50 multiplied by 51 plus 1. So guys, what is the value of 50 multiplied by 51? You can compute it. Let me write it directly over here. Guys, the value of 50 multiplied by 51 will be becoming 2550, 2550. 2550. And plus 1 also we have, and whole of this is multiplied by 1 by 2. Now guys, we have plus 1, so what would be written by me? 1 upon 2551 in denominator, 1 minus this thing, and 1 upon 2 in front of it. So guys, when I will be taking LCM, it will be becoming 2550 divided by 2551 whole multiplied by 1 by 2. And when I'll be going to simplify this thing, I'll be going to get 1275 divided by 2551, and this will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also put your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for your support.